In this video, I'll show you how to add a watermark to your photos for free. First, open your browser and go to Google. In the search bar, type Logo AI Watermark and open the website that says Add Logo Watermark to any image in bulk. Once the website opens, upload your image by either clicking Upload or simply dragging and dropping your photo into the page. After uploading, you can start creating your watermark. For example, you can type your name or brand text to use as a watermark. You can also duplicate the watermark to place it across the entire image. This helps protect your photo from being reused without permission. Next, customize your watermark by adjusting the color, opacity, size, and density. Most people use a white color with lower opacity for a clean and professional look. Once you're happy with the design, click on the Download button. You may be asked to sign in using your Google account. After signing in, download the image again, and your watermarked photo will be saved to your device. And that's it. That's how you can easily add a watermark to your photos for free. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to our channel, and press the bell icon for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.